Hi, I'm on the glorious nature reserve of Stoborough Heath. I'm looking right across at the Lulworth Ranges and Creech Hill, which I often paint, and then it comes right the way across the Purbeck Ridge to Corfe Castle, like a sand castle, isn't it, in the valley. Beyond there is Swanage, and then you've got the really high ridge that takes you across to Studland. And then what's amazing about Stoborough Heath, when you get to the highest bit, which we are at, we're at the highest peak of Stoborough Heath in South Dorset, we can see across to Poole Harbour. Now that's where the osprey are, apparently. So at some point I'm going to walk over that way, but it's finding a footpath. And I can hear the cuckoo. Can you hear that? What a